Welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown. My name is Rich Werner. I'm the service manager here, and this is my assistant, Rob Pacone. I want to welcome you to our dealership. We've been here in St. James for 55 years, and we're doing a big celebration this year.
Welcome to our service drive. This is where the clients pull in. You could stop by anytime, have your tire pressures filled up, or of course, with your regular service appointment, this is where we will greet you.
And this is our service area. Well, you'll be greeted by one of our 7 experienced service advisors. Can assist you with anything from a quick lube, oil, and filter change, New York State inspection, tire change. We have many tires in stock. Or leaving your vehicle for the day, you can be put into a loaner vehicle. We have 90 of those available by appointment at any time. Just give us a call.
After you're done with the service advisor here, either you took a loaner car from us, which we have 90 of them, all right, to get you home. We also have a shuttle. If you decided to wait with us, we have this lovely waiting area here where we have this nice new coffee machine. You can always visit the boutique while you're here as well. And if you wanted to, you can always watch your car being worked on here in the shop at this particular point.
This is our state-of-the-art service shop here where all the repairs are done. We have 25 factory-trained technicians. All they know how to do is work on Mercedes-Benz, your Mercedes-Benz.
And we just wanted to say thank you for all the business that you've given us over the course of the 55 years and anything you guys ever need. My name is Rich again. I'm the service manager, and this is Rob Pacone, who is the assistant service manager. We'll be here for all your needs.
Thank you.